Now is the time to activate your operation with AHW's Connected Support. What is AHW's Connected Support? Connected Support is technology that allows your John Deere equipment to communicate remotely with AHW in real time. That means AHW can locate, diagnose, and resolve issues your machine may be experiencing. Even better, Connected Support can predict potential expensive repairs in advance, protecting your precious profitability. Activate your AHW Connected Support and get Service Advisor Remote. This feature allows AHW to remotely analyze diagnostic trouble codes in near real time. That means AHW technicians arrive on your site with the right parts and the right tools to repair your machine quickly. Join AHW's Connected Support today and maximize your profitability. Activate your operation with AHW Connected Support.